Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be making some nice Jamaica brown stew chicken, is it? So as you can see, my meat is already seasoned. So I seasoned this chicken from overnight. Now I'm going to add some browning to my meat, and I'm going to leave all the seasoning in the description that I use. And I'm going to add some oil to my pot. So now I place the meat in the pot. So the oil is already hot, and I'm going to allow it to brown on both sides. And after it is brown on both sides, I'm going to remove the meat from the pot. Here I have my veggies. So I have carrot, green onions, bell pepper, thyme, and yeah. Seeing that my meat is brown on both sides, I'm going to remove it from the pan. Then I'm going to use this same pan that I'm using, pot. I'm going to add some ketchup, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some water. And after I add my water, I'm going to add some more browning, and I'm going to add my veggies and then give it a stir before I place the meat in the pot. after I place everything in the pot, I'm just going to cover it and leave it to cook. And there you have it, our brown stew chicken is finished. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.